Hello everyone, I am Dr. M. Manikam, Assistant Professor at Department of Physics, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. So in this video, we will discuss about potentiometer. In potentiometer, calibration of low range voltmeter, we will discuss in this video. So how the construction of circuits are worked, then how we can find out the balancing length value, L0 value, then how the voltmeter is calibrated by using the potentiometer experimental setup. So these are the things we will discuss and get the reading from the experimental setup. These are the details we will discuss in detail in this video. So let's go into the video. So in this video, we will discuss about the potentiometer, the calibration of low range voltmeter. So here we have taken the voltmeter of the range 0 to 6 volt we have taken to calibrate. So calibration means the inch by inch, point by point we have to measure the voltage with the help of the potentiometer by using the low range voltmeter. So if it is properly functioning as per the voltage provided by the potentiometer, the voltmeter, hence it is calibrated. So this is the procedure we are going to follow. Then let's go to the video. That is so this is the experimental setup or experimental circuits for the potentiometer for particularly calibration of low range voltmeter. So in the first circuit, that is the balancing length circuit. That is we have to find out the balancing length between the battery and the Daniel cell. So once if you have find out the balancing length, then we'll move to the main circuit, that is calibration of low range voltmeter circuit. See the second circuit, this is the calibration of low range. This is the calibration of low range voltmeter circuit. So here we have connected 2 volt battery here. Positive, I mean positive of the 2 volt battery is positive terminal is connected with the potentiometer of NDA, and negative terminal of the battery is connected with the key, and another end of key is connected with the rheostat, and rheostat is directly connected to the point B. Then NDA is connected with the voltmeter, positive of voltmeter, negative of the voltmeter is the connected with the jacky. So that jacky will slide from A to B. So this is the simple experimental setup for the calibration of potentiometer calibration of low range voltmeter. So how we can find out the balancing values means, so we have to slide from starting point A to up to end B. So we will measure the voltage corresponding to the length of the wire. We can measure the voltage, then we'll tabulate it and we'll draw the graph. So how initially already we have discussed about that the potentiometer is the voltage, I mean potential difference is directly proportional to the length of the wire. So if the wire value, I mean wire length of the wire is increases, so voltage also increases. So this is what will check through this experiment. The voltmeter is properly working or not, we'll check. So this is the circuit setup and procedure for the low range voltmeter calibration. That is the first we have to connect the potentiometer wire, battery and rheostat in series. Then attach the voltage across the standard resistance in the circuit. Adjust the rheostat will stable the current. Then use the jockey for find out the balancing point or null point. Then we can measure the balancing length, the L. Then we can calculate the actual potential value by using the formula, that is V is equal to K into L. So which is voltage is directly proportional to the length of the wire. Then we have to compare the voltmeter reading. Then we have to draw the graph. We will get the graph at the end of the table. We will discuss about the graph. So this is the tabulation for the low range voltmeter potentiometer. I mean this is the voltmeter reading, and then balancing length we can write. Again we have to calculate the voltmeter reading by using the this formula. V dash is equal to 1.08 divided by L naught into L. So this is the V dash calculation. Then correction, V dash minus V will get. Then we have to plot the graph in between the voltmeter reading V and V correction V dash minus V. So this is the graph we have to draw. Then the graph will be like this. So in x-axis we have to take it is the volt, and in y-axis we have to take V dash minus V, that is a correction. So we will get this kind of graph, that is a zigzag type graph we will get. So if the graph is coming like this, means it is properly the voltmeter is properly working, the calibration procedure is performed correctly. So this is the model graph for the particular calibration of low range voltmeter. So thank you for watching this video. This is actually lecture series video. In our next video we'll discuss about the next experiment. Thank you for watching this video.